Hi, my dear parents. In the last episode, I left you with a little amount of curiosity. What was the result of Dr. Marian Diamond's experiment on Einstein's brain? She found that the density of neurons in Einstein's brain was much more than in any other brain. In order to find out the reason behind this difference, she did experiments with the rats. She was growing two sets of rats. In one cage, rats were kept, they were fed, they had enough food, only eating and sleeping and eating and sleeping. In another cage, the rats were given, in addition to food, certain games, certain challenges, and they had much more things to do than eating and sleeping. After a few months of this experiment, when the rats in the previous cage they were only eating and sleeping, when she did a biopsy, when she did an autopsy of the brain of those rats, she found that the density of neurons was not very great, very high. In the second cage, actually these rats lived much more than the previous rats. The longevity of the rats which played and challenged themselves was much more than that of the other cage rats. And she found that the neuron density was much more. And so she said, it is not the food and the sleep, but the challenges, the environment in which this second set of rats were reared was quite different. In the case of Einstein, when he was growing, since he was not expected to be highly intelligent, nobody tested him, nobody checked how intelligent is he. People almost wrote him off, allowed him to be on his own. So there was no tension and he enjoyed whatever he was doing. The young Einstein was fantasizing, was dreaming of many things. For example, he was visualizing, if I were to sit on the end of a light beam and hold a mirror in front of me, will I be able to see my own face? Because light travels faster, and if I am already traveling at the speed of light, how can I be able to see? So the theory told him he cannot, but he was able to see his face. This was the type of question that was in Einstein's brain, which means the environment in which children are born is very, very important. The first 6 years of a child is very, very important. We should understand that our individual genetic potential is that of the human race. That means, as long as I believe I am a human race, what any human race performed, I should be able to perform in terms of achievement. Our individual genetic potential is that of Leonardo da Vinci, Shakespeare, Mozart, Michelangelo, Edison and Einstein. What they achieved with the same brain configuration, our children can also achieve. We should believe that. Our individual genetic potential is not that of our parents and grandparents. That's why I was telling you in the beginning of the previous episode, it is not that if your parents are intelligent, you will be intelligent. It is the intelligence capacity of the human race which is very, very important. I attended a 15-day seminar in Philadelphia by Dr. Glenn Doman. He has an institute called the Institute for the Enhancement of Human Potential. Me and my wife, we attended a 15-day program. And it was an amazing experience. We came to know about many things. He says that all intelligence is a product of the environment. So the environment makes a big difference to decide how much we can think, how much we can achieve. Becoming curious to know more about it, we'll see in the next following episodes. See you in the next episode.